Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today, we're going to solve SkillRack Daily Challenge. That is, C program that replaces the middle row and middle column of an input matrix with a plus sign. Firstly, the program takes the dimensions of the matrix as input, the number of rows, R, and columns, C. The matrix is then populated with integer values following these dimensions. We iterate through the matrix using nested loops and print the matrix after replacing the elements in the middle row and middle column with the plus sign. Here's how the code works. We input the dimensions of the matrix. We read the elements of the matrix into a 2D array. Then, we traverse through each element of the matrix using two nested loops, while printing the matrix. If the current element belongs to the middle row or the middle column, it is replaced by the plus sign. Otherwise, the original integer value is printed. Finally, the modified matrix is printed as required. And that's how this C program efficiently replaces the middle row and column of a matrix with the plus sign based on the specified conditions. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.